Hello students, today's lecture is based on a short discussion about organometallic compounds. In this lecture, we will discuss first about definition of organometallic compounds. Second, the discussion will be on naming of organometallic compound, and third topic of discussion will be organomagnesium compound, the most widely used organometallic compound. First, we will start with the definition part. Now, what are the organometallic compounds? These are the compounds which contain at least one bond between carbon and metal. As shown in the picture, there should be at least one direct bond between carbon and metal. Now, the question comes in mind, which type of metal should be there? The nature of this type of metals? The metal should be more electropositive in nature, because the more the electropositive metal, the more will be the polarity of the bond, and the more the polarity of the bond, more will be the ionic character of the bond. So now we are going to discuss a series of order for the ionic character. The ionic character order will be of bonding between carbon and potassium, carbon and sodium, carbon and lithium, carbon and magnesium, carbon and aluminium will follow this trend. Although the most extensive study is only for the compounds carbon and magnesium, carbon and lithium, carbon and zinc. So the more the ionic character of the bond, the more will be the reactivity of organometallic compounds. Now, second discussion is based on the naming of organometallic compounds. How the organometallic compounds are named. So please keep in mind, the naming of the organometallic compound should be following the order. First, we will see how much carbon chain, how many number of carbon atoms are there in the chain. For example, consider the case of this compound. As there is one carbon, and for one carbon we use the term meth. So the name of the compound will be, for one carbon, as we are using the word meth, so the name of the compound will be named by the organic compound followed by name of the metal. So this compound will be named as methyl followed by a name of the metal lithium. Second example, see the second example. In this case, there is organic group is phenyl followed by name of the metal, so phenyl lithium. Next case, in this case two ethyl groups are present, so the name will be diethyl cadmium. Okay. Now next topic of discussion is organomagnesium compound. These are the compounds which are extensively studied in the organic chemistry, most important of all the organometallic compounds, also popularly known as Grignard reagent. These were discovered by Victor Grignard, and he was awarded Nobel Prize for this in 1912. The general formula is RMgX. R stands for alkyl, alkenyl or aryl group. Means organic part, R is the alkyl group basically. Next, X stands for halogens, that may be chlorine, bromine or iodine. Fluorine are less commonly used because they are very difficult to prepare. Now next we will discuss about the preparation of organomagnesium compounds. These compounds are prepared by treating alkyl halide with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. The solvent used is dry ether. We can also use THF, dioxane ethyl glycol, but the THF is the best solvent for this preparation because it increases the reactivity of alkyl halides or aryl halides used in this procedure toward magnesium. Okay. Thank you so much.